Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO U6 Black Middle Tower PC case. So friend, it allows the complete internal unit to pull out, and friend, the structure featuring two back handles that allow the inside unit to be dragged out, and friend, it is designed to be simple to install and maintain, and friend, it is an integrated specification that employs temporary glass panel on the both the left and right side, and friend, the airflow is taken in from both sides of the front and vented through the mesh type top panel, and front 120 mm into 3, 140 mm into 2, top 120 mm or 140 mm into 2, and rear 120 mm into 1 cooling fans are available, and front, the swimming radiator has front mounting. The swimming radiator has a front mounting depth of 360 mm and top mounting depth of 240 mm, and with 7 expansion slots, the driveway arrangement is 3.5 inch into 3.5 inch bay into 2 or 2.5 inch bay into 1 or 3.5 inch bay into 1 or 2.5 inch bay into 2, and it can accommodate a graphics card up to 345 mm long, a CPU cooler up to 167 mm tall, and ATX power supply unit up to 200 mm deep, and the ATX, MicroATX, Mini-ITX form types are all supported, and front IO includes USB Type C into 1, USB 3.0 into 1, audio jack into 1. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.